Okay, let me teach you how to swim in 60 seconds. How to enter the pool safely. Step 1, take a seat. Step 2, hands together. Step 3, roll onto your belly. Step 4, wiggle yourself in while holding the wall. How to exit from the pool. Step 1, 2 hands on the wall, elbow, elbow. Army, knee on the side. Next is breath control. How to bubbles when the head is down. Step 1, open your mouth, take a deep breath. Number 2, close your mouth and bubble through your nose. If possible, do an M sound. Slowly recover. Next, we'll touch on back float. First, hold on to the board. Second, slowly lie back once your head touches the water. Completely lie back. Once you're comfortable, slowly progress with or without the board. Open up your arms, open up your legs into a starfish position. After you learn how to do a back float, you need to learn how to do a recovery. So slowly tuck in your head, bubble bubble, say hello to your knees. Stay tuned for lesson 3.